Good morning student, myself Ritu Dube. Today we are going to learn English. Lesson number 5. Let's learn alphabet. Now first we will learn about the capital letters. C, A to Z. These are the capital letters. We will see them one by one. This is A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for frog. G. G for gun. H. H for horse. I. I for ice cream. You all love ice cream? Okay, so that is the ice cream. I for ice cream. J. J for joker. Yeah, you see the joker in the circus. K. K for kite. L. L for lemon. Of which we drink juice? Lemon juice. M for monkey. N for nose. O for orange. You like orange? Yes. P for pen. Yes, this pen is used for writing. Q for queen. R for rose. All the girls they like rose. S for sun. T for ten. U for umbrella, which we use in rainy season. V for van. W for wax. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zebra. So these are the capital letters A to Z. Now let's see what are the small letters. They are also from A to Z. See now the small letters. A for apple and ant. B for bed and ball. C for cat and cow. D for doll and dog. E for elephant and egg. F for frog and fig. G for gate and gun. H for horse and home. I for ink and ice cream. J for joker and jug. K for king and kite. L for lemon and lotus. M for monkey and man. N for nose and for nut. O. O for orange and ox. P. P for pot and pen. Q. Q for cube and queen. R. R for rose and red. S. S for sun and spoon, which we use for eating. T. T for ten and tent. U. U for uncle and umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for wax. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zip. So these are the small letters. Now let's combine capital letters and small letters together. See first small letter or then capital letter. A. Small b, capital B. Small c, capital C. Small d, capital D. Small e, capital E. Small f, capital F. Small g, capital G. Small h, capital H. Small I, capital I. Small j, capital J. Small k, capital K. Small l, capital L. Small m, capital M. Small n, capital N. Small o, capital O. Small p, capital P. Small q, capital Q. Small r, capital R. Small s, capital S. Small t, capital T. Small u, capital U. Small v, capital V. Small w, capital W. Small x, capital X. Small y, capital Y. Small z, capital Z. Arrange the following letters in proper order. The given letters are D, K, W, A. Now we have to arrange these letters in proper order. What is the meaning of these, children? The letter which come in the beginning we have to write first. So D, K, W, A. Which letter will come first? Yes, it will be A. Because the capital letters or small letters start with the A. So here first letter is A. Then after that A, B, C, D. So here it is D. Then K. And lastly it will be W. Next. Now E, J, B, Y and S. Now of these which letters come first? Yes, it is B. After that A, B, C, D, E. So E. After B, E will be there. Then after that J. Then it will be S. And lastly it will be Y. Children, I hope you have learnt and enjoy this concept. Thank you.